Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, June 24th. I'm James Spann. The weather stays muggy and unsettled across Alabama today. Some risk of strong storms this afternoon and this evening, but it's a rather conditional threat, which is typically the case in summer. Let's check things out. There's the upper air look this morning. Got a deep upper trough north and west of the state. That's been providing some very active weather in advance of that in recent days. And there's the radar this morning at 5 o'clock. Got a band of strong to severe storms over parts of central Mississippi, just east of Interstate 55, just creeping along. There's kind of a larger view. You can see thunderstorms over the northwestern corner of Alabama. Heavier storms in Middle Tennessee, down through Mississippi and Louisiana. Kind of a dying MCS, mesoscale convective system. We expect those storms to weaken, and the new storms initiate later today, mainly on the eastern side of the state. There's the watch warning map this morning, pretty quiet. Still got a few severe thunderstorm warnings with that MCS to the west and scattered heat advisories down in the southern tip of Texas and around Savannah and Charleston. There's the severe weather risk for today and tonight. Active weather for the eastern half of the country. In Alabama, we've got the standard risk level 2 out of 5 for the northeastern counties of the state. Places like Fort Payne, Scottsboro, Huntsville, Albertville, Gadsden, Anniston, and Heflin. And then a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, including the Shoals, Cullman, Jasper, Birmingham, Sylacauga, Auburn, and Montgomery. And then just non-severe storms expected for the rest of the state. We'll talk more about this in a second. This is tomorrow. A risk of severe storms out across the heartland. And on day 3, Wednesday, a marginal risk for parts of the western high plains back up into the northern Rockies. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The basic idea, the west is fairly dry, the east is fairly wet. In Alabama, rain amounts about 1 inch, and please understand, these maps are very hard to draw in summer because of the uneven distribution of rain. Some places might get 1 inch of rain in 1 hour, others not that much. But again, every day, some risk of scattered storms through the upcoming weekend. Check the tropics. Big bag of nothing. The Atlantic Basin stays very quiet this week. Model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run at 4 o'clock today. You can see the trough axis north of the state. And down below that, no doubt we'll have scattered storms redeveloping this afternoon and this evening. Where they form, they could be fairly strong. And again, the NAM here, I don't buy this. And the mesoscale models typically don't handle summer convection well. But this is the 3-kilometer NAM showing really not that much this afternoon at 5. Heavier storms for parts of east and south Alabama, but we'll probably see more up in that northeastern corner of the state. Instability value should be fairly high. And again, there should be enough shear for some sustained updrafts. So the main threat today will be from strong straight-line winds, maybe some small hail, especially east of I-65, with the boundary maybe left over from the morning storms off to the west. But not everybody gets rain today. That's the way it works in summer. Now, this is tomorrow, looking fairly dry. Today will be in the mid to upper 80s. Tomorrow, the high should be around 90, partly sunny, and I'd say the chance of any one spot getting a storm fairly small. And then Wednesday, the instability values increase, moisture increases, a mixture of clouds and sunshine with a chance of scattered showers and storms, mainly during the afternoon and evening hours. And that's going to be the story for the rest of the week. This is Thursday and this is Friday. Some chance of scattered showers and storms. And scattered is the key word. Doesn't rain everywhere, but it could rain heavily in spots. High should be in the 80s. And that's going to be the deal for the weekend. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Sky cloudy at times. We'll have showers and storms around both days. But again, some good breaks in the rain. The sun peeks out at times. I'd say highs for the weekend, probably mid to upper 80s. Here's a week from today. This is Monday, the 1st of July. How about them apples? And again, upper ridge to the north of us over the Great Lakes. Heights about where they should be here. And again, it looks classic summer weather. Partly sunny with a pop-up storm in spots in the afternoon. Let's go out 10 days. This is, Independence Day Eve. This is Wednesday, July 3rd. ridging, increasing a little bit here. And again, that looks just classic summer. Partly sunny, hot, humid, scattered afternoon and evening storms, which is a fixture in the summer here if you're new to this area. Here's the rain for the next 15 days. This is coming off the European. The ensemble mean about 1.5 inches, but of course a huge spread in the various members from anywhere from 1/2 inch to 4 inches. And that makes sense in that the synoptic scale models just can't handle the small scale nature of these afternoon storms. And highs upper 80s to near 90 and lows mostly in the low 70s across the board, much like summertime in Alabama should be. But no sign of any excessively hot weather for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.